In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop daily limit on Facebook. First of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to stop the daily time limit, what you have to do is simply tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access various options over here. What you have to do is simply scroll down and find this option for settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings and privacy. At third, you'll be able to find this option for time management. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to manage your time on Facebook. So if you want to stop the daily limit, what you have to do is simply tap on this option daily limit that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. If any option other than off is selected, that means the daily limit is enabled right now. If you want to stop it, what you have to do is simply tap on the off option that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the save option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here daily limit will be stopped. So that is how you stop daily limit on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.